Imagine a place steeped in mystery, a place where secrets unravel themselves as you wander through its enchanting streets. Welcome to Saltburn. Saltburn, a quaint seaside town, is tucked away on the northeast coast of England. It's a gem with a unique geographical location that adds to its mystique. Picture a place where the rolling waves of the North Sea meet the rugged cliffs, creating a stunning backdrop for this Victorian charmer. Saltburn still retains much of its original Victorian charm, a testament to a bygone era. Its streets are lined with charming Victorian architecture, each bearing silent witness to the town's rich and intriguing history. But Saltburn is more than just a beautiful seaside town. It's a place where secrets are hidden in plain sight, waiting to be discovered. From its mysterious cliff lift to its intriguing pier, each corner of Saltburn hints at a story untold. So brace yourself as we delve into the intriguing secrets of Saltburn. Our journey into the secrets of Saltburn begins with the oldest operating water balance cliff lift in the United Kingdom. Nestled in this charming coastal town, the Saltburn cliff lift is a marvel of Victorian engineering. Constructed in the late 19th century, it's a testament to the ingenuity of the era. The lift employs a water balance system, a unique mechanism that uses the power of water to ascend and descend the cliff face. Imagine this: two cars, one at the top, the other at the bottom, linked by a steel rope over a pulley. Water from a nearby reservoir fills the top car, making it heavier, thereby causing it to descend while lifting the lower car. Once at the bottom, the water is discharged and the process begins anew. Quite ingenious, isn't it? But the cliff lift is more than an innovative transportation system. It's a symbol of Saltburn's vibrant past, a time when the town was a bustling hub for Victorian holidaymakers. The lift was built to connect the town centre with the newly constructed pier, a popular attraction for these visitors. Today it stands as an enduring symbol of that bygone era, whisking passengers up and down the cliff in charming wooden carriages. It's preserved not just as a historical artifact, but as a functional piece of the town's infrastructure, continuing to serve residents and tourists alike. Indeed, the cliff lift is not just a means of transportation, but a ride into Saltburn's rich history. Now, let us venture towards the sea, to the Saltburn Pier, a symbol of the town's resilience. Built in the late 19th century, the Saltburn Pier is more than just a structure. It's a living testament to the town's enduring spirit. The pier, the last remaining iron pier in Yorkshire and the second longest in the northeast, was a remarkable feat of engineering for its time. Constructed with robust ironwork, its design was a testament to the Victorian era's innovation and ambition. But the pier's journey hasn't been smooth sailing. Over the years, it has weathered many a storm, each one threatening to claim this symbol of Saltburn. In the early 20th century, a mighty storm severed the pier, leaving only a fraction of its original length standing. Yet the townsfolk didn't let this dampen their spirits. They rallied together, repairing and restoring the pier, showing a resilience that's as strong as the ironwork holding the pier together. The pier faced another challenge in the late 20th century when a drifting ship collided with it. The damage was extensive, but the people of Saltburn didn't let their beloved pier sink into oblivion. Once again, they rolled up their sleeves and got to work, ensuring the pier stood tall, a testament to their determination. Today, the Saltburn Pier stands proudly, stretching out into the ever-changing sea, a symbol of the town's resilience. It's more than just a place to enjoy the sea views or catch a few fish. It's a reminder of the town's history, its trials and tribulations, and the spirit of the people who wouldn't let their pier be defeated. Every creak of the iron, every echo of the waves against the pillars, tells a story of struggle and survival, of resilience and determination. And so, the Saltburn Pier continues to stand, a proud symbol of a town that refuses to be beaten. The pier stands tall, a beacon of Saltburn's enduring spirit, a secret it proudly shares with the world. From the resilient pier, we move to the shadowy world of Saltburn's smugglers. Saltburn, a picturesque seaside town with its Victorian charm, hides a thrilling past. In the 18th century, the tranquil beaches and towering cliffs became the stage for a clandestine ballet of smuggling activities. Smugglers, turning the tide of law, would stealthily navigate their ships under the cover of darkness, bringing in contraband goods from the continent. The stories that have percolated through time speak of a labyrinth of secret tunnels and hideouts. Imagine, if you will, a hidden world beneath the cobblestone streets of Saltburn, a network of underground passages, intricately carved out, connecting the town to the beach. These tunnels served as the veins of the smuggling operations, a secret highway that allowed the smugglers to move their illicit goods unseen. And then there were the hideouts. Tucked away in the craggy cliffs, these were the smugglers' sanctuaries. Here, they would stash their booty, waiting for the opportune moment to distribute them further inland. The smugglers of Saltburn were audacious, cunning, and resourceful. Their operations were so extensive that they became an integral part of the town's history, their stories woven into the cultural fabric of Saltburn. Today, they're no longer a shadowy presence, but a significant heritage that adds a dash of intrigue and adventure to the town's charming landscape. Saltburn's smuggler past adds a dash of intrigue and adventure to its charming landscape. As our journey comes to a close, the secrets of Saltburn stand revealed. We've delved into the mysteries of this captivating town, unearthing the rich tapestry of its past and present. We've marveled at the Victorian engineering prowess of the cliff lift, a testament to the era's ingenuity, still standing tall in its original glory. We've walked the length of the pier, a symbol of resilience against the tides of time, embodying the enduring spirit of Saltburn. And of course, we've stepped into the shadows of the smuggler's heritage, a thrilling saga of clandestine activities that adds an intriguing layer to Saltburn's narrative. Each of these elements, in their own unique way, shapes the character of Saltburn, making it more than just a town. They are the threads that weave together the vibrant tapestry of Saltburn's story. In the end, Saltburn is not just a town, but a treasure trove of secrets, each one a testament to its rich history and enduring spirit.